I went out walking one morning in May. I spied a young couple who fondly did stay, and one was a young maid so sweet and so fair, and the other one was a soldier and a brave grenadier. And they kissed so sweet and comforting as they clung to